The domino effect in SEO is what turns small fixes into big wins for your business. Imagine making one smart change, like speeding up your website. Suddenly, visitors stick around longer, trust your brand more, and are more likely to buy. That single improvement sets off a chain reaction. Next, you streamline your mobile experience, making it easy for shoppers to browse and check out. Clear navigation guides them smoothly to your offers, while strong titles and descriptions grab attention in search results. Each step builds momentum, turning casual visitors into loyal customers. By targeting the right keywords, your site attracts buyers ready to act, not just browsers passing by. Fixing technical errors and keeping your business details consistent across directories unlocks even more opportunities. When every SEO move connects, you see more sales and fewer lost leads. Growth that keeps stacking up.
Please share and like. It helps us get the word out and makes the algorithm really happy. Check us out at advertisemybusiness.com.